Welcome back. In case you've been wondering how you can add an audio file or a video to your web page or HTML file, this is the right place to be. Stay tuned as I take you through the simplest means which you can use to add your video or audio file to your web page. So the first step is by creating a HTML file. To do that, you come to File, then open New File. I'm using Sublime Text. After opening the new file, come back to these files and then choose Save as Files. So this one, let's name it Audio, and the extension is HTML, and then save. Then we'll have to write a default HTML syntax here. For Sublime Text, it autofills. So our title, the title for this page will be How to Insert Audio Files. So to insert audio files, we come to the body tag, where we open the audio tag. After opening the audio tag, you come in here and type in the src source. So after opening the source, you go to where the file is stored and then copy the file path. As you can see, in my page, our HTML file is in the same folder as our audio file that we want to copy. You can use either of these ones. So here we'll simply pick the name of the file and the file path. So to copy the name, you right click and come to rename, and then just copy the whole name. After copying the file name and the file path, you come and paste it here. After pasting, you save the file. Then for you to get the controls for playing the audio, like how it's always on other media players like VLC, you need to type in controls, then save your file. Then you come to where the file is saved and open it using the browser that you have. And when you click our file, you can see our file is playing very well. Another thing, you might want to do autoplay so that whenever you open your browser, the audio starts playing automatically. To do that, you need to type in autoplay, leave it like that. For some browsers it allows, while for other browsers it does not allow. So let's try if it will allow on mine. You can see it is not allowing. To reset this, you can go to Google Setting, Privacy Policies, and change that if your browser allows such to do. For mine, it does not. I've really tried. Sometimes you might add in your file and it does not play. The cause of this might either be you've entered a wrong file path, file extension, or a wrong file path. Let's try and mess with this. Let's say this is an MP4, and when you refresh the page, you can see it cannot play because the file extension is wrong. And when we correct that, you can see the file works. Another thing is the file path. Let's try that. Let us copy this file and paste it in this folder. We'll have to rename it. Now let's try to add this file to our HTML the way we added the other one, by just copying the name of the file and the extension and let's see if it will work. So I'll create another audio source here. And source, paste, save, then add controls. Let's try. You can see the file is not reading. This is our new file. Why? Because this file path cannot be located by our browser. So to correct this, you need to come to the specific file. Our file was in another folder. So you need to come to the specific file, go to properties, and then copy this file path. After copying the file path, you come and paste it in here. After pasting the file path, you come back and copy the file name, and then you put the backward slash and paste your file name. Save. Let's refresh, and when you click, you can see the file is playing very correct. So you might face such errors when you put in a wrong file path or a wrong file extension. Now let's see how you can add a video to your HTML. Let's put a title for this one. Let's say adding video to HTML. So to add a video to HTML, you just need to put a video tag here, and then in the video tag you add in the source, and then you come to where your file is stored. Here is our file. It is in the same folder as our audio HTML file. So to copy this, you come to rename, then copy the file name and paste, then save, and then you add here controls so that it gives you that video control interface. Then refresh, and you can see here is our video. It is playing very well. Let me put a title for this one. You might face challenges, for example, when you put in a video and it does not play. That can be result of a wrong file extension, like if we put an MP4 there and save, and when we refresh our file, you can see there is no video. Let's come back to our default file, that was MKV. You can see our video is right here and it can play very well. So that is how you can add your audio and video to HTML. Thank you for watching. For our new viewers, kindly subscribe, and for our returning viewers, I'm very thankful for that. Keep it locked. We'll keep on getting new content. In our next video, we'll be working on HTML, how you can style your page and other items. Thank you.